Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're making a delicious, fresh, and tasty salad, Niçoise salad or salad Niçoise. It's origin from French and it's very delicious. So if you want to see how I achieve this one, just continue watching, guys. So here we're jumping straight into the video. This can be used with fresh or frozen green beans, but I have frozen, so I'm going to add these to my boiling water and allow it to stay for a couple of minutes. Then I put it in the ice water bath. We are also going to boil our eggs, and for the veggies they'll be on the screen, and we're just going to wash everything and slice and arrange on our plate. This is pretty much a self-explanatory video, so watch along and I'll come back when it's time to prepare the dressing. As I mentioned earlier in the video, this salad is origin from the Riviera island of Nice. That's an island in France. And this is made mostly with fresh vegetables, boiled egg, corn. You can put
So now that
potatoes,
we have arranged our
olives,
salad
you
up
name it,
beautiful,
and the
now
dressing
we're going
is
to
what
make the
put this together.
Niçoise salad dressing, and this is white wine vinegar, mustard,
a bit of salt, a bit of black pepper, or olive oil, and additional I use a bit of Italian herbs. That is totally optional. So mix this well and then drizzle over a salad, and then it's time to enjoy. This is very filling and flavorful. A lot of flavors coming from all these different ingredients. Yes. So if you have never tried a Niçoise salad, this is an easy step-by-step recipe. So try this one. So if you're watching to this far, guys, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. Tap the notification bell. In that way, you'll never miss another upload. And if you're coming for the first time, welcome. My name is Nicola. I'm the creator of Nicola Yard Style Cooking. And to my returning supporters, yes, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for always coming back and leaving these lovely comments. I really appreciate you guys a lot. So here is my version of the Niçoise salad. For those of you who are familiar with this one, tell me how I did in the comment section. And for those that haven't tried this salad, please check out this one and come back and tell me how it goes, because I know that you will enjoy it. So please guys, like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.